Like many of America's biggest and best companies of the 20th and 21st centuries, Next Wave CNC started with an idea, a family, and a garage. In 2006, Tim Owens was looking for a unique and creative way to support his growing family. An engineer at General Motors, Tim wanted to use his skills and technical knowledge to bring his idea to life, and soon built his first CNC machine in his garage. When that machine sold quickly on eBay to another hobbyist, Tim continued building and innovating while the machines kept selling. Soon, it was apparent to Tim and his co-founder and wife, Melissa, that this little side project may have just turned into something much bigger. With Tim's engineering skills and Melissa's experience in marketing and retail management, the Shark CNC was born. Each machine they built quickly sold, and buzz was beginning to grow from hobbyists and professionals alike about the quality and power of these American-made machines from Ohio. In short, customers were Shark's fanatics. Now positioned as one of the top CNC makers on the planet, Next Wave CNC continues to evolve and grow, fueled by the founding principle of building the world's best CNCs along with powerful accessories, all made in Perrysburg, Ohio, the heartland of the USA. Retailers worldwide embrace the Shark CNCs and help make them available in hundreds of stores across America. The growth and success of Next Wave CNC starts with our talented engineers who focus on constant innovation and improvement that benefit Shark CNC owners. Our impeccable quality standards continue as our guiding principles to always make America's absolute best CNC. Our assembly lines and packing are state-of-the-art, and our customer support is unparalleled. What we are most proud of is what started in a garage in Ohio has now grown to create a network of loyal and enthusiastic Next Wave CNC Shark users that spans the entire globe. Next Wave CNC will continue to grow through the designing and building new and more advanced CNC machines, innovative software, and game-changing accessories. To learn more or view other videos, visit us online at nextwavecnc.com or stop by one of the hundreds of Next Wave CNC Shark's official dealers nationwide. Shark, world class, made in USA.